Now, here's a government advisory that has come in noting that many private hospitals perhaps are turning away critical healthcare services to patients due to the fear of COVID-19. This is an advisory that has come in from the Health Secretary to the states at this point. The Health Secretary now has directed all the states and the union territories to ensure that essential services like immunization, cancer treatment, dialysis, all of these are provided to the patients who need them and they are not turned away. Additionally, the Health Secretary also added that private hospitals must not insist on COVID tests if the patient has sought medical help for other treatment. This is a very important advisory that has come in from the centre to all the states and union territories, noting that many of the private hospitals currently are denying critical healthcare services to patients due to the fear of COVID-19. This letter that has been written by the Health Secretary to all the states and union territories, asking them to ensure that essential treatment services like immunization, cancer treatment, dialysis that is needed for patients are being given to them and they are not being turned away by the private hospitals. Additionally, the Health Secretary making a very important noting saying that the private hospitals must not insist on COVID-19 tests if the patient has sought medical help for other problems. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman joining me live with further updates on this. Ayushman, good morning. This is a very important advisory that has come in from the Health Secretary to all the states and union territories because there were a lot of instances that had come to light and patients had complained that they were not being treated properly for other essential services like cancer treatment or dialysis. What is the advisory and the guidelines that has been now given to the private hospitals?
Purva, the advisory, the letter which has been written by the Health Secretary to the private healthcare, it clearly says that the patient's care must be taken because in the time of pandemic, the other disease also needs to be taken care of, and we have seen several instances from across the country where people have been forced to run from pillar to post in order to get themselves treated. We have seen cases from Agra, UP, as well as the national capital, where people have complained as to how the private healthcare and the other healthcare facilities have not treated them due to the fear of COVID-19 pandemic. And it has also come to light that several hospitals have said that the testing for COVID-19 for other ailments as well is very much necessary. Now, that point has been clarified in the letter of Priti Sudan, the Health Secretary, is that if a person is coming for other treatment, that treatment should be given without any fear, and the private healthcare and the other healthcare facilities need to play a very important role here because the pandemic is a challenge, but at the same time, the other ailments which are there, that is also very important to take care. And for that reason only, the Health Ministry has said that they have released from time to time, they have released several advisories in relation to the cancer patients and also to the dialysis patients. We have seen such cases where in case of dialysis, a person has been told to go for COVID test. Now, how many times, if for every time, if he has to go for the COVID test, then it becomes a problem. And in relation to that only, that letter has been written that the care must be given to the people who are coming for their treatment. The COVID testing should not be made mandatory on them.